Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and today I'm going to share with you how to make like a tart kind of, but not really. I make it in a sheet pan. I use puff pastry. It's got apples and caramel, and it's absolutely delicious. It's really easy, but most importantly, it's absolutely delicious. So I'm so excited to share it with you. Enjoy.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine.